Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Some would say Whiskey Wednesday or Wine Wednesday. I'm just saying Wednesday. Yes. Last night we were in Hungary and I was a little hungry. Again, I'm not going to attempt the Hungarian name, but it's Hungarian cauldron goulash from the 18th century or 19th century. One of those. It's in the notes. It was good. Beautiful color. Once that Hungarian paprika got mixed in with the onions, which you do off flame, it's in the notes. It's just beautiful red color. And the house smelled fantastic because it simmered. Total time, cook time was almost 3 hours, but 2 hours of a good simmer. Yeah, it was really good. Not as spicy not in heat, but it's just good. Try it. The beef I used chuck. The beef just melted. It was the simmer time did it justice. It did its job. So, Hungarian cauldron goulash. Tonight, we're going to do a little Mexican meal. This is not my Mexico. I probably won't do an actual Mexico meal. This one sounded fun when I saw it, and I'm going to have fun with it. I'm going to change it up just a little bit. Mexican chicken with cheese sauce. Hey, let's see if I can break the sauce. I don't want to, but I'll be careful. I've learned a lot since, the beginning. All right, let's take a look. Got some hardware going. Saute pan for the chicken. The recipe says to do it in one pan. I'm going to do it in two. Then I got my medium saucepan for the cheese sauce. And the sheet pan is out because I'm going to serve all of this over French fries. That's right. I'm using one boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can scale this up as much as you want. Kosher salt, black pepper. For the garnish, we'll just start with the garnish. I'm going to dice up this half tomato, reserved from yesterday. And I'm going to skip over everything. So here's my French fries. And I've got my pickled jalapenos and cilantro. And for the chicken, I'm going to be using pumice olive oil, arbol chili powder, ground cumin from Mexico, and some little bit of garlic powder. For the sauce, butter, flour, some serrano chili peppers. This is sharp cheddar cheese, which I will shred my own. And some milk. A real simple cheese sauce. So here's the goodies for tonight's dinner. This is one of the new t-shirts. We must eat. Why not enjoy it? It's what I love about my job. I get to eat what I make. It's a bonus. All right, so on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.